Collaboration is an indispensable part of the everyday corporate experience. Through the exchange of ideas, skills, and shared commitment, much more can be achieved together. However, in order to increase efficiency and provide time for reflection and focus, you sometimes need isolation. That's why Brainy was created. With its versatile nature, Brainy is the ideal solution for arranging various spaces, such as an open space, a co-working space, and reception areas. Its compact design is also perfect for public spaces like reading rooms or libraries. With Brainy, you can readily use the available space while meeting the needs of its users. Discover a mobile workstation for individual concentrated work. You can arrange it yourself in just a few seconds. You will be surprised by its intuitive assembly, lightness, and mobility. Brainy will allow you to isolate yourself from external stimuli and focus on your task. Brainy is designed to provide a high level of acoustic comfort. Settle into a creative and conducive space. Perform your work in optimum conditions. Whether you need a moment of silence while working or plan to have a business conversation, Brainy provides the perfect solution. With it, you can be sure to enjoy privacy and focus. Brainy helps you stay fully focused, enables you to work effectively and achieve your goal. It supports creativity and the development of your potential at the highest level. Mission accomplished? Minimalist form for a space-saving design. Brainy. Wherever you want, work anywhere, anytime.